AP, you go crazy.
She's one cause problems, and I ain't been one for the drama. Like, fuck all the fighting and demolish. Let her cash out, blow it all, that's my baby. Take a flight if you want it. She gon' fuck me cause that Dolce Gabbana my fragrance. You cannot be my mama, but you'll get whatever you want, so be patient. I ain't wanna fall in love with it. Hit it, pass it back when I'm done with it, no. She ain't know I'm a dog with it. Slip it up, I might end up cuffing it, no. Got me hooked, she a drug with it. I keep running back till a baby, she a plug with it, no. And if she end up a dub with it, I'ma go ghost in a rave for my niggas in LA. Just remember, little baby, you need me. And I don't need you, got a bad little bitch, I can fly out from Fiji. And she love me too, got ass from my mama and she way less needy. My purse might hurt perfume, and you gon' fuck a nigga to get even. It's okay, that's cool, at the end of the day, just remember, you need me. And I don't need you, got a bad little bitch, I can fly out from Fiji. And she love me too, got ass from my mama, she way less needy. My pillows might hurt perfume, and you gon' go fuck a nigga to get even. It's okay, that's cool, at the end of the day, just remember, you got it like that. Don't go lying on my name, I'm the one that bought your first bag. Shit ain't been the same, we just arguing every day, you mad. Let a nigga play the toe tag. Who knew love could hurt you so bad? AP, I'm on this bitch going crazy. Bentley mask black, most these niggas fags. Where they raps be full of cap. I'm the type to fuck they bitch next, they pull up and give them down. I been shitting on these niggas, know deep down I got them mad. Little nigga, I am your dad. And a big body swerving. You was not street, you suburban. Bitch, I hit some running on. And get your bitch cause she flirting. But ain't about a bag on my bitch, no working. I swear to God, I've been working. I just been kicking back, counting my earnings. Cause nigga, I earned it. Before with a glass pipe, been too busy getting my back.